In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a file on GitHub. So right here, you see I have GitHub open, and I'm going to click on Show More, and I'm going to this repository. So this is the repository, and inside of it, I have two files. So let's say that I want to delete this file. So I'm going to click on that file, and right here, you should see that I have three dots. So if I click on it, I can go to delete file, and right here you can click on commit changes, and it will say delete, stuff like that. So click on commit changes and it will delete the file. So the file was successfully deleted. See, this is another file. So if I click on this one, you should see that I have the same. I can do the same. So delete and commit changes. So this is basically it, everyone, and I hope that you liked the video.